Dear student, welcome to NIEVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take a class for class 4 and today's topic is oral sheet practice. So dear student, when I will say the question, you should listen this question very carefully, and when I will through the answer, you should say with me. So dear student, let's start. Today we practice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 5 questions. Look at the board. Question number 1. So dear student, you must listen this question very carefully. Question number 1. Do you know what is painting? I repeat it. Do you know what is painting? Answer. Yes, I know painting is the language of color. Yes, I know painting is the language of color. So dear student, when you draw a picture without color, that was only a drawing. When you colored this, that time that will be a painting. So dear student, painting is the language of color. Question number 2. How many primary colors are there? What are they? Here is 2 question. That means how many primary colors are there? What are they? There are 3 primary colors and they are red, blue and yellow. Again, how many primary colors are there? What are they? There are 3 primary colors. They are red, blue and yellow. Question number 3. From where should we start to color the picture? We should start coloring a picture from the top, gradually coming to the bottom. That means, imagine if you draw a candle. According to this question, you should color from here, top to bottom, and that was gradually. Okay. This is the important question to you. From where should we start to color the picture? That means we should start coloring a picture from the top, gradually coming to the bottom. That means first here and gradually we finish the color at the bottom. Question number 4. Can you draw anything that you see? Question number 4. Can you draw anything that you see? Answer. I can draw sometimes successfully that I see. Sometimes I try and wish to do. As an example, you know the sun is round. How can you know? If you did not watch this anytime, do you know? That means you know by seeing this. Yeah, how much draw the sun. That this is ray also. So you can say that I can draw sometimes successfully that I see. Sometimes I try and wish to do. That means sometimes you try and what is you wish, you can draw this. Question number 5. Do you know the basic composition of drawing a picture? Question number 5. Do you know the basic composition for drawing a picture? Answer. Yes. The basic of composition for drawing a picture is to ensure the beauty of it either drawn vertically or horizontally. Yes, the basic of composition for the drawing a picture is to ensure the beauty of it either drawn vertically or horizontally. That means composition is very important things. Look, this is a horizontal piece. Okay, this is also. If your topic you draw here like this, like an apple you draw, and someone draw here like this. Which one look good? Look at the board, which one looking good? This is a good composition. So composition is very important thing for the drawing. So you can say, yes, the basic of composition for drawing a picture is to ensure the beauty of it, either drawn vertically or horizontally. So dear student, we have completed 5 questions. You should practice this oral sheet by listening and watching this video on YouTube more and more time. And this is also your HW on RW class, a chair without color. You should do the HW and submit your HW every Sunday 8 am to 4 pm. So dear student, don't forget to submit this, because your SBA, city and diary marks also depends on your HW. So dear student, abide by your parents, stay at your home. Thank you. That's all.